Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand at the summit of one of Indonesia's most majestic mountains, Gunung Pangrango? Imagine this. A journey begins long before the first step. It starts with a spark, a curiosity, a desire to explore. This is the story of a hiker setting off on a journey to conquer the mighty Gunung Pangrango. Gunung Pangrango, rising tall in the heart of Indonesia, beckons adventurers from all around the globe. Its name, believed to be a blend of ancient Sundanese words, translates to people who reach the summit. It's a mountain that doesn't just challenge your physical strength but also your spirit and determination. The journey begins at the crack of dawn. The air is crisp and cool, the forest is just awakening, and the hiker sets off with a heart full of excitement. Each step on the trail brings a new discovery. The path winds through lush rainforest, home to an array of exotic flora and fauna. The hiker moves steadily, navigating the rugged terrain, the sounds of the forest echoing around them. As they ascend higher, the forest canopy gives way to open skies. The hiker is greeted by panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes, a sight that makes the strenuous journey worthwhile. The final stretch of the climb is the most challenging. The air becomes thinner, the path steeper, but the hiker pushes on, driven by the promise of the summit. And then, after hours of grueling climb, they reach the top. Standing at the peak, with the world spread out below, the hiker experiences a sense of achievement that words cannot capture. Descending from the peak, the hiker carries with them not just memories of an incredible adventure, but also a sense of respect for the power and beauty of nature. The journey may have ended, but the story of Gunung Pangrango continues to inspire. So, what can one expect from hiking Gunung Pangrango? It's more than just a physical challenge. It's a journey that tests your spirit, takes you through some of the most beautiful landscapes Indonesia has to offer, and leaves you with a sense of accomplishment that lingers long after the adventure is over. This is the allure of Gunung Pangrango, an adventure that calls not just to the body, but also to the mind and the soul. Are you ready to answer the call?